Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Today we'll discuss an important example, that is a property of a Bessel function, that we need to show j minus half of x is equal to square root of 2 by pi x into cos x. So it is most important concept which can be utilized to get a solution in different and difficult examples. So in this, what to do? This is the result what we have. What is the result as per the Bessel? As per the Bessel, the result is we have the Bessel function as jn of x is equal to summation from r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r into x divided by 2 raised to n plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into root factorial r. So we call it as equation number 1. Then let us substitute n is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation number 1. Then what we get? If you put n is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation number 1, then equation number 1 becomes j minus half of x is equal to summation from r equal to 0 to infinity, then minus 1 raised to r into x divided by 2 raised to n is minus half plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma of minus 1 by 2 plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Fine. This is equal to summation from r equal to 0 to infinity. Okay. Minus 1 raised to r. Then how do you take this? This is nothing but x divided by 2 raised to minus half into x divided by 2 raised to 2r into gamma 1 divided by gamma of r. 1 minus half is minus half. Okay. Plus half. Then into r factorial. So which is equal to, we'll take this term outside, then it becomes x by 2 raised to, this is nothing but square root of x by 2, but since it is a negative, so it's a reciprocal. So that is square root of 2 divided by x. Square root of 2 divided by x is into summation from r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r x divided by 2 raised to 2r into 1 divided by gamma of r plus 1 by 2 into r factorial. Let us expand this on expansion of this result, which is nothing but j minus half of x. That becomes j minus half of x is equal to root 2 divided by x into its expansion. Put r equal to 0. If you put r equal to 0 here, what happens? Minus 1 raised to 0, 1. X by 2 raised to 0, 1. Then it is 1 divided by r equal to 0, means it becomes gamma of half. Fine. Then put r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you put r equal to 1, then it becomes minus 1 raised to 1. Then x divided by 2 raised to 2 into 1 divided by gamma of r equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 into 1 factorial. Next, plus x divided by 2 raised to 4 into 1 divided by gamma of 5 by 2 into 2 factorial and so on. Fine. Therefore, let us know the values. Just now we calculated these values. So as per these values, what will be the solution? What is required? Gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. Then gamma of 3 by 2 is this, gamma of 5 by this, Gamma of 7 by 2 is this. So let us substitute these results here. Then we will be getting j minus half of x is equal to root 2 divided by x into gamma of 1 divided by, what is gamma of 1, gamma of half? Root pi minus x divided by 2 means it is x square by 4 into 1 divided by, what is gamma of 3 by 2? That is root pi by 2 plus x raised to 4 by 2 raised to 4, that is 16, fine, into 1 divided by 2 factorial, that is 2, into gamma of 5 by 2, that is 15 root pi by 8, and so on. Fine. If you substitute these results, then what we will be getting? We will be getting root 2 by x into 1 divided by root pi minus x square by 4 into 2 divided by root pi plus x square by 16 into this is 32, then it will be equal to just a minute, gamma of 5 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2 is 3 pi by 4, so 3 pi by 4, therefore it becomes 32, that into this, so or else I'll take 16, then this goes to the numerator, 4 into 3 root pi into as usual 2, and so on. Therefore this is equal to root 2 by x into 1 by root pi is common, keep it out, then inside bucket 1 minus x square, 1s are 2s are 2, plus x raised to 4, 1s are 4s are 4 into this is 8, 8 into this is 24, and so on. Therefore j minus half of x is equal to root 2 by pi into x into 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial, and so on. Therefore this is equal to j minus half of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into, this whole thing is nothing but cos x. Therefore this is the result. Means what we have done here we substituted these values already, just now we calculated, we substituted the values of gamma function. Thank you.